Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to put any image on a wall. First, you import the picture of your wall. You import the picture that you want to put on the wall. Select the picture, go to the Marquee tool, make a selection of your image, copy the image by pressing Ctrl+C or Command+C on Mac, and you can hide the layer. Select the wall image, go to Filter, and go to Vanish Point. Now what you're going to do is select the four corners of the wall. When you're done with doing that, press Ctrl+V or Command+V on Mac. Place the image over the wall. And as you can see, it goes with the perspective of the wall. You can scale it by pressing Ctrl+T or Command+T on Mac. Just place it on the wall where you want. When you're happy with how it looks, press OK. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.